So the phenomenon that I chose to do is the Northern Lights. These are a scientific phenomena that happens in the sky. They are different colors, greens, purples, blues, reds that people see up in the night sky along our northern hemisphere. It's something that I've always wanted to see. It's something that is really fascinating to me. I think it's absolutely beautiful and incredible, and something that's always been on my bucket list. Um, I have found a video on YouTube that kind of is a time lapse that kind of shows everybody what the Northern Lights are. And if you haven't seen them before, there's a lot of videos and a lot of people who take photos of it. And as we can see here, it's just moving lights that happen in the sky. And some things that I've kind of questioned about them are, why is it only in the northern hemisphere? Why is it something that only happens there? And another one is, why are they, I mean, obviously you can see the stars in them, so they're kind of a lower base light that happens instead of something that's super high up in the sky. So I always kind of wondered that too, is why exactly is it, you know, kind of lower where everyone can see it and that's visible. I know that there are videos and images that the International Space Station has taken when they pass over areas of the Earth, and they can show you the Northern Lights. They are also called the Aurora Borealis, a more scientific term for them. As we can see here in this video that's showing it now, you can see the greens and the purples and the reds, and it's just something that's absolutely incredible. I definitely look forward to doing more research on them and kind of figuring out a little bit more about them. And I think that if anyone else wants to get involved with them, definitely look up videos of them. I know that NASA has a lot of images for them. It's definitely something worth looking into. It's something that's incredibly beautiful that I would recommend for everyone to see. Thank you.